Alright, so let's get started here with a simple Palace of the Dead run. So I can show you how it is. First I'm gonna reset my progress here. I have 2 slots. I'm gonna reset my progress on my summoner. Okay, I'm gonna enter on that slot that I reset with a matched party. Floor 51. Okay, popped. So let's go. Any day now. Alright, so we're gonna start here. Okay. I don't know if the game audio is coming through or not. There you go, the passage to the next floor is open. Quite a few dudes over here. Okay, since it's begun to glow, we don't have to clear the rest. We can just go and go to the next floor. can see here that the inventory is completely different from the regular game. So is the map. You can see by the color of the weapon how strong the Aether weapon rating is. So the closer to red, the redder it is, the stronger it is. So you see this guy here is not, probably doesn't have a lot of rating on his weapon. Mimic. Five. Hopefully this will be less than 10 minutes, 11 minutes. You can see how I have my settings here, my UI. Oh boy. Cool. Switch to a ranged pet. Melee seems to be taking too long getting to the action. So this floor has you do not regenerate, so it's need to be more careful here. At least we have a healer. Oh, we got snuck up on. Okay, since I'm maxed out, I did not get a +1 on my armor there. But the guy that does not, he probably got some. Okay. What happened? Okay. I'll probably edit this to make it a little shorter, so you can just get the idea and see where the boss is. So this means that I'm basically getting one level every time I do one run of these, which takes about, I see now, probably about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so we used the special buff there, so he's just gonna one-shot everything. Okay, and 58 is gonna be done quickly. Stepped in a mine. So every 10 levels has a different motif. So this one that we're in right now is the... Oh god, no. Help. That was unfortunate. Aggroed. Now on to 59. I've been cursed. So I have a 9-minute cursed. And if I don't have a purity, I will be taking damage all the way to the end now. Which is gonna suck, but not there. I got a purity now. So I can use this to remove that debuff. As you can see, there's some good density here. Need to be real careful about pulling these rooms. And if you wipe here, it's over. You lose all the XP and you have to start again with a different group. So now we're gonna go to the boss. About 17 minutes in. Okay, it's not bad. Of course he aggroes me, right? Because why not? Doing too much damage. Summoner tank. 4 seconds. Try to get some of this hate off me. Okay. Okay. Excellent. So finish there. So you get to put a commendation to someone. And let's see what we got. $1,200,000 XP. That put me almost at 56 from that run there. And I have this loot here that I can talk to this guy and he will appraise it for me to see what I got. Of course, it's rubbish that time. And then it's rinse and repeat. You have 2 slots that you can use to level. I'm using my samurai here. This I'm using to get them to 60, and once they're 60, you can switch to another class. So that's it for Palace of the Dead 51 for now.